In this video, we demonstrate our multi-resolution hair modeling and editing system. Our system allows the user to interactively model and edit realistic hair models at any level of detail, from large hair clusters to individual hair strands. The user first creates each top-level hair cluster by placing a contour on the scalp space editor. The scalp surface maps the region of the head model where the user can place hair. We use generalized cylinders to represent the boundary of hair clusters. High-level editing tools allow the user to edit the properties of hair clusters, such as curling, scaling, and the shape of skeleton curves. To add more details to the hair model, the user subdivides the hair cluster into smaller ones and refines the hair shape. Note that the details of the refined hair model are preserved when the user controls the high-level cluster. Using our multi-resolution copy and paste tool, the details of one hair cluster can be transferred to the other hair clusters. We now show an example of the multi-resolution hair design procedure. The user first designs an approximate hairstyle with about 20 top-level hair clusters. One top-level hair cluster is curled. This curly cluster is then copied onto the other clusters. Here is the final model after more refinements. With our system, the user can create a wide variety of realistic hair models, such as a curly ponytail, short spiky hair, and other styles. We now demonstrate the interactive rendering capability of our system. Our system interactively updates shadows to help the user examine the structure of the edited hair model. Note that without self-shadows, the volumetric structure of a complex hair model cannot be correctly visualized. Since hair strands are very thin, it is also important to draw each hair strand with correct filtering. Without anti-aliasing, much realism is lost and becomes harder for the user to examine the hair model. By adjusting the level of detail parameters, the user can increase the rendering speed. With this low-complexity hair model consisting of about 30,000 lines, even shadows can be computed at highly interactive frame rates. This video was captured from interactive user sessions on a system with a Pentium 3 700 MHz CPU and an NVIDIA Quadro 4 graphics card.